This video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a small little battery powered chainsaw from the company MAXCULAR, maybe is how you would say that. And this is the brushless chainsaw. How about that? No brushes in this one. So let's just kind of like go over the box here. It's got high cycle, long life. The speed is 3,800 RPMs. The wattage is 850 watts. Chain length is 6-inch. It's low noise level, voltage 21. Brushless copper motor. How about that? Power display, heat resistance, overheating. You know what? Enough of that. Here's everything you get with it. You get one chainsaw body, a charging base, a rechargeable. This does come with a battery. That's always handy. And number one, look at the presentation of this. Usually an affordable chainsaw like this, you don't get this well of a presentation. They spared no expense on this packaging. Very nicely packaged. Looks very premium. And then the little set of instructions, going over the instructions. I'll tell you what, there is not much to this. It is 100% assembled. So get out the battery. It is a 21 volt max 4.0 amp hours. How about that? Is there a percentage on it? Looks like you can charge it right there, but they also give you a charger base. That's nice. With base, with modes, it's got the red and green. It just basically a good little charger base, and that battery kind of looks like a Makita type battery. I'm not sure. I'll try a Makita battery and see. Oh, I see how the attachment is. Everybody, this thing is fully assembled right out of the box. Oh, check it out. It looks like you can add oil to it. I do have some bar oil, some chain oil. You get a measurement, and I'm guessing that is centimeters, 12 centimeters, which is a 6-inch blade. It's got a toolless adjustment on it. How about that? Toolless adjustment. You can take that off. You can see how easily you can change out the blade on this thing. So if you've got a small blade, wow, that works nice, everybody. Yep. Okay, now to tighten it, you just loosen that up, and we are ready. Let's try it out. Very high quality, everybody. This is super high quality. Very impressive on this. Okay, right away you can see right here I have 92%, 87, 42, 26, and it looks like there's some lights on the side of the battery, but I don't see how you get those to go. Let's add some oil to this thing, and let's see what it does once I add some oil. Then I'll use it on cutting some little limbs over here. Okay, what I'm gonna use is the Pro Select. This is the bar and chain oil for chainsaws, and that's what I'm using in this anyway. And one thing that I just found out, everybody, check it out. The most innovative way of checking your battery capacity, they have the switch built in right here. Is that not cool? I've never seen that. You actually check your battery like capacity by mashing this back button. That's very innovative. When you're doing things like this, you want to take the battery off. So you can see right there. Get a little small funnel. Well, my funnel barely fits in there, but I think we'll make it work. Whoa, that didn't hold much at all. So that doesn't hold much oil at all. You can see right there, I'm completely full. So let's see if it oils itself. There it is. It took a minute, everybody, but I'm seeing the oil now. You can see the oil coming out of it. So the oiler does work. It just takes a minute. You can hear it. Yeah, I'm getting oil coming out. It's sliding out now. Because with these blades, you don't want to get them overly oily. I can actually see it right there. It is coming out of there. Let's take it over here and try to like cut a little limb that I have over here. And let's see how well this little saw will work. Okay, everybody, this is an older tree that had fell down, and this is something I want to use this for, is cutting limbs like this. Let's see how well this little 6-inch blade works on this. Wow, that's it. Okay, well, that went through it pretty easy. Holy crap, that works well. Everybody, I'm impressed. It'll cut through this size limb like it's nothing. That's pretty impressive. This is a little sturdier. This is like a, oh man, that works great. And to have a oiler on a saw of this size and this affordability is very impressive. Okay, everybody, I got a bigger log over here, and you can see the size of this is almost the entire blade. So this is gonna really push this little saw to the max. So let's try to cut this. You can tell that this is maxing it out. Well, that worked just fine. Surprisingly, look how big that is. Surprisingly, that worked way better than I thought it would. Everybody, I think this is something that I'm going to keep on me, especially for like camping trips or just doing work around the house or something like that. That's all I got today on the, the MAXCULAR mini chainsaw, 6-inch chainsaw. See y'all in the next video.